What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today we'll be making some quick and easy Chinese fried rice. So guys, stay tuned. So here I have 2 eggs and 2 egg whites. I have some soy sauce, some mixed veg, some oil, salt and pepper, and of course the rice. It's just as that easy. And some green onions. I'm just going to go ahead and salt and pepper my egg to taste. And guys, you could use as much or as little as you like. So I'm just going to give this a whisk and then I'm going to scramble my eggs. So in my wok, I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of oil, and you could use any oil of choice. I use an oil that has high smoking point. Here I'm using grapeseed oil. And guys, for this recipe, you have everything I assume in your house. So this is quick, simple, easy, and affordable. I'm just going to go ahead and scramble my eggs. I'm not going to scramble them too much because once I return it back to the rice, it's going to finish cooking. So I'm just going to cook it halfway through. I'm not going to cook it dry, I'm just going to cook it kind of wet. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to my wok, and at this point I'm going to fry my rice. And guys, I'm using the whole rice. This rice has been in my fridge for about 2 days. So guys, the older the rice, the better the fried rice. So I'm just going to fry this up for about a minute or 2. And guys, onward, everything is self-explanatory, so just sit back, relax, and watch along. And if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think about this recipe. And guys, here I opt for low sodium soy sauce, but you could use whatever soy sauce you like. So I have a mixture of soy sauce and sweet soy sauce, so low sodium and sweet soy sauce. But you could use whatever you like. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And guys, basically your fried rice is ready. And I'm going to add back my eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and add some green onions for color and extra flavor. That's it, my beautiful people. Serve up as the main course or as a side dish. Anyway, this works perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.